Hi, my people. It's a boy once again. It's a boy Tony Mushiri official, and it's around 10, 10, 10 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, and I'm so grateful for this day. I thank God for the gift of life. So, like I was saying, I thank God for the gift of life. Yeah, today is a good day. As you can see, it is all sunny, even from this place. This is where I call home. Everything looks quite good. You can see even the dove. Yeah, the dove is out there. He was basking on the sun. That one is a male. Yeah, and our rabbits are here. Yeah, I need to get them some fins. I've been expecting this one to give birth, but it's taking too long. I don't know why. I think I'm going to separate them and ensure like the male is on one side and the female. I bet they're used to each other. That way, that one is not yet served. I expected it to give birth any time, but as you can see from the ring box, hey, is it a laying box? No, a ring box is when you use the term laying box, is for the hen and all the other bands. Yeah, so I expected that this rabbit to give birth over there, but well, it has not. And our place looks shagara bagara. They need to do some cleaning over here. I need to arrange this place. You can see there's some works that were going on. Our building, the building of these houses that I've been sharing with you. So I want to do some cleaning over there. And today I woke up to some good news. Yeah, so these are my silky chick. So this is a pure breed, and I also have another pure cock. You can see there are a lot of things inside here. The best thing is that even the waste from the kitchen, usually don't throw them away. When you have chickens within you, usually give them. This place, we poured some water on this side after I removed the manure. So that's why it looks a bit wet. So I was saying that I've woken up to this good news. So you can see that our hen has been lying on these eggs for the last 21 days, and what I've noticed is that you can see the eggs are having cracks. Can you see? Yeah, you can see the crack. Oh my god, some good news. And there are so many of them, all of them. Can you see even this one? Can you see the chick inside? Oh my god, can you hear even the sound? Can you hear the sound? Oh my god, that's some good news over there. Most of them have already developed the cracks. I can even feel the cheek. So I'm really thankful to God. For the first time, you can see a lot of cracks. Even they almost all of them. So it means the silk cock fertilized. Can you hear the sound of the cheek? Most of them have already cracked. So maybe within 2 days from now, we're expecting some blessings in our farm. Yeah, so that's some good news. Whether I ever tried to incubate some eggs here, but the eggs never, all of them spoiled. So this is going to be our first hatching, something that I'm so grateful about. So I think I'm going to do some those are our ends. These are our flowers. I still want even to arrange these flowers. I think there's a lot that I need to do, a lot of cleaning on this place. Yeah, I need to do a lot of cleaning. So these are things I've been, guys. You can see this is our houses that were on progress, but we have stopped them. I need this end to go back. Hebu rudi, go back. Na hapa kuna nini zilikuwa zinakula, kulikuwa na maugari zinakula, lakini acha zirudi. Guys, I'm even so cautious. I don't want this end to stay outside until we have seen forth the chicks. I know it knows the time to lie on the eggs and the time to be out, but I just want the hen to go inside there. The eggs should not feel any cold. Madam, you're gonna stay there. So this is the father. So this is so I've bred these two. This silky cock with this indigenous or this local breed. Guys, I can't wait to see the result. Yeah, I'm really waiting to see the result, and the best thing is that I'm going to put them on that side. They will be staying on that side, and these other ones will be staying on this side. So this is going to be our first batch. Can I say batch? It feels good. So guys, I can't wait to see the result of a cross breed, or a cross of the local breed and this local breed hen and the silk cock. So let me lock them there so that they can eat, and also once they are full, so that they can get, the hen can lie on the eggs. Can see my flowers are doing quite good. Yeah, they are doing so good, and I need to arrange them today. Let me try to see what I can do. I need to arrange them. So yeah, so this is a house we have been building, but we have brought in the materials as I will be showing in this video. We have brought the building blocks that are able to complete these two houses, as you can see. But what has remained is I have not yet brought the sand. So I'm expecting to bring sand anytime. Once I get some enough amount to bring the sand, I'll bring it so that the work can commence. Yeah, so like I'm saying, you can see I brought the blocks as I showed you in the previous video. So if you'll come across this video for the very first time, ensure that you're going to go and watch the previous video. Guys, continue supporting me, continue liking and sharing. Yeah, so these are the building blocks that I have, and these one are going to finish the two houses. Yeah, and I'm so happy about that. On this other side, so the ballast that is here is quite enough for the task that for doing the rinto. Yeah, this one is quite enough. So the sand is what is remaining. So I need to bring in some sand. Maybe a lolly or half a lolly will do me good. So you can see from the surrounding, guys, the place looks quite green. Yeah, and also on this side, this is my neighbor's looms. So I want to get some rabbit fins, then I go and do a bit of cleaning. So once I get outside in the morning, this is usually my first business. I get my rabbit something. Yeah, this one has grown. So this place is so fertile. Can you see? These are rabbit fins. Can you imagine? This is a blackjack. Let me show you. This is a blackjack. Can you imagine? Even this one, the whole of this one. This place is so fertile. All of this one is a blackjack. Even uprooting it, can you see? All of this is a blackjack. You get 3 of them, and they are you can't even pull it, it has to break. Oh my god. So huge. You get a few of them, and it's good for the rabbit. So yeah, thank God for the good news that I've shared with you. So let's be patient and wait to see the result, yeah, of our claws. So let me put these ones there, and also this one I don't know. There, you see, there are a lot of type of winds that usually feed to the rabbit. Even some of them, even this one, they usually consume this one. They like this one. They usually produce some milky. Let me show you. usually produce a milky what? Watery what? Can I say? Can you see it? It's a bit white. And it looks like milk cream. Yeah. Toto, sasa, what are you saying? Chani tafutie sungula. Chani tafutie sungula chakula. That's my child. Uchunge usianguke. Uchunga. Mbi. Manywele. Tamisiji. Umepanda? Yeah, so I bet this one is enough. Si ungole hizi, ungole kuku hizo nkamba. Kama shika hizi. Say hi.
Hi guys. Nanikumbuka.
Hii ndio inaitangwa aje na kizungu? Hii.
Wandering Jew.
Ati wandering Jew. Nkamba wandering Jew. Exactly. Yeah, so I was asking what the name of this one. So this one you can give to the end. Toto, unaang. So I'm being helped to pull some. But hiyo ni ya sungura. Hiyo nimekupea? Yeah, so for this one you can give to the chicken. Yeah, this is a wandering Jew and this is a tomato. Only that you don't know if it's of good quality, you would pull it and go and plant inside there. So I bet kuna sienge. Kuna zingine nimeweka pale. Toto tuende. Kuja mama. Kwa tuende. Unapanda? So I was saying these are the lentils of my immediate neighbor. Ngoi. Macha niekele. Toto beba hii. Beba hiyo tupelekee Banis. Yeah, so guys, these are the place looks like. Mbembe ikolete and the maize is doing quite good. Can you see? They are very tall. This time people are going to harvest. People are going to harvest a huge time. A huge or a bumper harvest. Enda usukishwe na mama. Yes, baby. Yes. Ingia kwa gate. So let's go and feed our rabbit. Hiyo testa katakata mimi nitarushia. Pea hizo. So let's feed our rabbit first. Hope hizo zinjaingia huko njio. Na nasikia kuko na ka smell fulani na hisia zime nini. It means endo meanga thiembire mboko enu musie. Ibati kuigwe na tona mbae thaino. Ngavira musie kama yeko na intendaga ni musie ni ya white. Content this breed. Kana tuambe to separate. Ile njike ikae uko permanently kwa muda. Itie gwikarabamu. Mimi hata ijaiserve. So let me give this one to these ones. Tiga ino sie kale na anja. Yeah, so huko. Nasema nini? Hiyo flower yako huko. Sasa. Hii mawe ya njiko nataka nitoe, sio? Nichukue hizo vitu zote.
Anafanya mazoezi.
So you want to prepare this place to be our kitchen garden? Sana. Kaa huko mama, nifanye kazi. Kaa huko, kaa hapo kwa flower yako nipige. Na ukota chafu wote. Kauzi. Basi tutaweka tutaweka mahali. Tunaweza mahali. Mani yake hapa kwa kona.
Inaweza, lakini baridi yote nyanya.
Hizi maua. Mimi kwa yako iko. No.
Sasa
So guys, as you can see, this is the place. Sometimes we usually don't take advantage of a place, but you can see, like I used to think this place was small, but I can see it's quite enough place to do our kitchen garden. So I think I need to these flowers. I don't know what can I do in front over here. Should I have these flowers still blocking our kitchen garden? What should I do? Or should I make sure that I close this place? Yeah, so right now I'm going to work thoroughly on this place. Yeah, and also maybe I'll get kagona chicken wire. Maybe I can get a chicken wire and put it across. Maybe that would be the best way to prevent the chicken from getting inside, and also ensure that I clean up this place. And really neglecting this place once the construction started. But I need to work on this kitchen garden. These flowers, I need to rearrange them. I need to rearrange them. Yeah. But to direct. So I was asking if should I plant the seedlings direct on the ground, or should I use these cement bags to just do as I've done here? So maybe I'll do both. Maybe I'll have some slot. On this side I can have a line, maybe I'm planting some maybe spinach or something. I'll decide to plant on those cement bags and put it here, because I can't plant immediately to this place because this work has to continue and a lot of waste will be falling off. So at least I leave some space over here so I can arrange those cement bags in a line. So the waste from the construction will be falling down there. So on this side we can design maybe to have some kale, some amarants and all that. So that's how things are as per now. And also need to easy flowers. So let me first go and throw this one. All this was waste that was here, guys. Yeah, a lot of waste. So let me just dispose it. So this is we usually dispose our waste. Once they are with time, then we burn them. But I'm intending to put another house over here. So I'm going to decide if I'm able to complete these two with time. I can still just build the one there to have them three. So I'll have clearly taken care of this place. So right now I want to maybe carry this waste. I want to ensure that I'm going to carry this waste and do some cleaning. Then once I buy the seedlings, we are going to plant our this chicken is getting inside the dove's house. Get out. So I don't want to go and bite or fight the pigeon, the dove. Hey, these are what the difference between pigeon and a dove. Pigeon dove, how many one and the same thing? Guys, what is it? What the difference between a pigeon and a dove? Is it one and the same thing or anyway? Dove, pigeon. Kama dove ama ni zinalishwa kwa maboma. Pigeon is a kichaka. Like I'm saying, maybe is a dove the ones that are wild. The wild bands and the pigeon are the ones that we hii kutune kitu ikue like zile vitu zinalishwa kwa the ones that have been tamed. Kuna time, there's a time that I was looking for and has disappeared. So guys, this is my store. This I usually store some of the things and I want them to get the spade. So let me first. So I was getting the spade. Today is more of a cleaning day. I want to do more of cleaning. Queen. Kesho inaweza panda
Yes. Natengeneza mlima.
wake usimue flower nzito.
nje. Weka kule kwa Zito.
So the work that is remaining is when we are going to do trenches or what should be done.
Gani? Isikuje huku. Kesho tupande basin tu ama ya mitaro hii space inatosha. Wait. Kidogo.
Bibi yangu.
Papaita.
Chope.
Yeah, so basically today it was all about cleaning of the or preparing the place to ensure it's a bit clean. So even in agriculture we used to have there's a preparation of land, tilling of the land, or digging of the land and all. So today basically I was just doing some cleaning. This is going to be our kitchen garden. So maybe for tomorrow shall just have to maybe dig it a bit, put the manure, then you may plant the seedlings, you'll be able to get them tomorrow or some other day. Yeah, so basically that's the work of today, guys. Let's meet in the next vlog.